train. Ugh. What's with all this smoke? You can't really see it, like, Jesus Christ. The train is actually smoking, and like, look at that smoke. Oh my God, the train's on fucking fire. The train's on fire. Look at this. The train is on fire, and people are just sitting around. Holy cow, look at this. Look at all that smoke. Smoke is literally pouring out of the train, and people are getting on. Look at that. Smoke is pouring out of the train, and it's just sitting at the station. Can you believe that? Yeah, there's like clearly a fire there. Did you see that? This is at the Orange Line Midway station. It smells like ass. I mean, you could smell it coming in the station upstairs. Look, there's the smoke coming up.